It seems like we as a country, we are forgetting who we are. We as Nigerians, we are forgetting who we are. We're forgetting that we are Nigerians in Nigeria. We're forgetting that we have one of the most influential people in the world. We're forgetting that Nigeria is the most populated Black African country. We're forgetting that Nigeria is the most populated African country in Africa. We're forgetting that we have 190.9 million people in this country as 2017. I can't even say for 2020. Nollywood is the second largest movie industry in the whole world. We have the likes of Wizkid, we have Don Jazzy, we have D'banj, we have Davido, we have influential musicians in this country. The richest Black man in Africa is Nigerian. The richest Black woman in the whole world is Nigerian. Are we forgetting who we are? Nigeria is the giant of Africa. Come rain, come sun, nothing is going to change that. But look at us getting addressed from Twitter. Did we vote for our president from Twitter? Over 14 million people voted for the person on seat right now. Yet, we're getting addressed from Twitter. And everybody's just sitting down like it's normal. I don't even know how unusual things are so normal in this country. Everybody's sitting down. Everybody's fine. The average Nigerian works on a daily basis and gets paid on a daily basis. We have a lot of Nigerians that does blue collar jobs. If they don't work in a day, they will not get money in a day, and they will not eat for this day or for that day. Yet, we want to have a lockdown. What will people eat? What will people eat? Conductors, mothers that go to the market to sell stuff to people, what will they eat? When you say lockdown and everybody should stay home, what will people eat? Will they eat themselves? When you say people should stay home, what will they eat? We're locking down, lockdown here, lockdown here. I'm so tired of hearing lockdown. What will people eat? A lot of people depend on daily income. So when you shut down, when you lock down on everywhere, what do you expect people to eat? Where will they make money from? Where is the money that they have? If they don't make money on a daily, they can't feed their families. So when you say lockdown, you should also provide food for them. You don't tell people to lock down and expect them to lock down. Because like I've said before and I'm saying again, hunger is deadlier than this virus. Hunger is deadlier than this virus. So you don't sit in your office and address Nigerians because we are fools and address Nigerians off of Twitter. This is the time that we need you. We need you to address us. We need to find hope from your speech. We need you to talk to us. If not every day, at least twice a week. Speak to the people that look up to you. Speak to the people that voted you in. Not a Twitter handler, not your spokesman, but you. Where is Buhari?
Perfect.